Welcome, dear viewers, to Flavour Fit, your prime destination for health and wellness. Our mission is to guide you on a journey of discovery where we explore the hidden treasures of a healthy diet. Today, we're casting our nets into the ocean of nutrition to bring you an underappreciated gem, the mackerel. This small yet mighty fish is swimming with benefits, from promoting heart and brain health to fighting off type 2 diabetes. Dive in with us as we uncover the health secrets of the mighty mackerel. Imagine a fish, rich and flavorful, swimming in the vast ocean, brimming with nutrients. This isn't just any fish, but the mackerel, a seafood superstar. It's a unique breed, known for its distinctive, robust flavor that sets it apart from its marine counterparts. Comparative to the popular tuna, mackerel has a milder profile, yet it doesn't compromise on taste. But the mackerel isn't just about tantalizing your taste buds. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with protein to fuel your muscles, vitamins to boost your immunity, and minerals to keep your body functioning at its optimum. The mackerel is a testament to the fact that good health and good taste can indeed go hand in hand. And that, my friends, is just the tip of the iceberg. The mackerel has more to offer. Now let's delve deeper into the ocean of benefits this fish provides. Mackerel, this modest fish, is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's like a health coach that promotes brain and heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in mackerel play a crucial role in brain function and are believed to aid in mental disorders. Talking about heart health, mackerel is like your personal cardiologist. It helps reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease cholesterol levels, all contributing to a healthier heart. But wait, there's more. Mackerel is also a shield against type 2 diabetes. It's high in protein and low in unhealthy fats, making it an excellent choice for blood sugar control. And for those of you who are fitness enthusiasts, mackerel is your gym buddy, helping in muscle building and repair. The protein it provides aids in the creation and repair of body cells, including the muscle tissues. And the best part? These benefits are not lost even when the mackerel is canned, so you can enjoy the health benefits of mackerel even on the go. Sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? But the mackerel doesn't lie. Now that you're familiar with the benefits, you might be wondering how to include mackerel in your diet. The versatility of canned mackerel is impressive. Try it in salads for a protein punch, add it to sandwiches for a tasty twist, or toss it into pasta dishes for a seafood sensation. So go ahead, experiment with mackerel, and let your taste buds enjoy this nutritional powerhouse. We've sailed through the sea of mackerel's health benefits together today. From boosting brain and heart health to warding off type 2 diabetes and aiding muscle repair, mackerel is indeed a seafood superstar. Its convenience in canned form while still retaining its health benefits makes it an easy addition to any meal. Don't forget to subscribe to Flavour Fit for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay healthy and stay fit.